guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing all my current favorites with you guys. Now, most of these things are purchased from Amazon, so in a way, it's going to be an Amazon haul as well. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun because I'm going to be sharing with you all my current miscellaneous favorites, the recent shows and movies that I loved. I'm going to be showing you some of my skincare favorites as well. But अगर आप लोग को skincare and fragrance favorites के बारे में और भी जानना है ना, just check out my recent videos. I've shown you lots of good recommendations when it comes to skincare and fragrances as well. And अभी Nykaa पे बहुत अच्छा sale चल रहा है, their pink summer sale. So you guys can go ahead and grab a lot of these skincare, makeup and fragrance recommendations from Nykaa because this is going to be a good time to shop. For now, let's get started with all my current favorites. I have so many good things to show you guys in today's video. I'm sure you're gonna be loving all of these things, and yes, I will be linking everything that I'm gonna talk to you guys about today in the description box below. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, first up I want to talk to you guys about this translucent facial powder from Pond's. Now this one is surprisingly not available on Nykaa. You will be finding this on Amazon. I really don't know why Nykaa doesn't sell this one, but yes, ये Amazon पे आप लोगों को मिल जाएगा. This is their Watermelon Fresh and Bright Translucent Facial Powder. This comes with vitamin E, collagen and watermelon extract. Now this one is a pretty expensive product, you guys, because इसका MRP ना I think कुछ 600 या 700 का है. इतू से translucent powder का, वो भी Pond's का, लेकिन हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ डिस्काउंट चलता रहता है Amazon पे. So you guys should be able to grab it, I think under rupees 400, which also is a great deal considering how good this powder is. It gives your स्किन अ वेरी स्मूदनिंग इफेक्ट. इसका जो बेसिक जो फिनिश है वो मैट फिनिश है एंड कवरेज ऑब्वियसली मीडियम कवरेज है. बट ड्यूरिंग द समर सीजन आई थिंक यू गाइज आर गोना लव इट. आप जो भी लगाते हो ना, बीबी क्रीम, फाउंडेशन, वो लगा लो एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन जस्ट लिटरली सेट योर बीबी क्रीम और योर फाउंडेशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस लिटिल पाउडर आउट हियर. आई हैव एक्चुअली यूज्ड इट ऑन माय फेस टुडे एंड यू कैन सी how smooth and matte my makeup is looking today. I of course had gone in with another compact powder after this. It really helps my makeup stay put during the summer season. If you guys have oily skin, you guys are gonna love it. If you guys have dry skin, you guys are gonna love it. This basically is for all skin types. अगर आपका skin oily है तो आपको थोड़ा सा ज्यादा लगाना पड़ेगा. Dry skin है थोड़ा सा quantity ही चल जाएगा. But this is suitable for all skin types and ideally it's gonna be a perfect addition to your vanity. Alright, the next product is something that I have been absolutely loving. This one is so nice. This one is an iPhone charger cover. I use an iPhone 15 and uske charger ke liye I was looking for a good cover and I came across this silicone cover on Amazon. Just look at that, you guys. It's so cute. You have the Starbucks logo out here and it literally feels like a cold coffee, like the Java chip or something. And jahan pe aapka basic ye cable hai na, wahan pe bhi you get this small silicone thingy to protect this area as well. So I completely love this charger cover. This one is so cute, yet it is so essential to protect the charger. I love this completely. Iska MRP rupees 999 tha, but I cracked a super awesome deal on this. I got this for only rupees 249 and trust me, इसी सेम प्रोडक्ट के ना आपको मल्टीपल पैटर्न्स एंड डिजाइन्स मिल जाएंगे. बहुत सारे क्यूट डिजाइन्स मिल जाएंगे. आई थिंक एक टॉम एंड जेरी था एंड और भी दूसरे क्वर्की cute designs थे, like there was an ice cream and pink color में भी बहुत सारे थे. So depending on your taste, you can just pick the charger cover that you like. But trust me, आपके iPhone charger को cover करने के लिए this one is gonna be an amazing thing which you can pick up from Amazon. Next up is this stainless steel bathroom shelf which comes with its self-adhesive like stick-ons. आप उसके self-adhesive stick-ons के help से उनको लगा सकते हो आपके bathroom में या फिर if you want kitchen में या जहाँ पे भी आपको requirement है. For us, we needed some more storage space in our washroom, so we've added it there. It has a very elegant design and you guys will not believe me when I say this that I picked this up only for rupees 199 from Amazon. इसका MRP है rupees 699. It's a really nice shelf. Like 4 items तो इसमें बहुत ही comfortably fit हो जाते हैं. So yeah, I have shown you guys the footage. It's a really useful product and I completely love this one. Next up is this ice roller or face roller from Amazon. Now this is what it looks like. ये बहुत ही convenient and easy है use करना because इसमें आपको अलग से पानी freeze करके फिर use करने की जरूरत नहीं है. The moment I wake up, I take this and I put it under under my eyes, to depuff my eyes, to depuff my face, and it's really really effective, let me tell you guys. And मैंने ये पिंक कलर में लिया है, I guess you will get this in a blue color and in some other colors as well. बहुत ही inexpensive था, I think I picked this up under ₹300. A very very useful product on a day to day, and I completely love this. I had shown this to you in one of my shorts as well. Another product which I've been loving, this one I picked up from Amazon, is this earphone cover. So this is what it looks like. ये भी सिलिकॉन का है and ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है, तो आप इसको easily आपके बैग में डाल सकते हो. So ये basically मैंने लिया था to keep my earphones in. For now I have my wired earphones in this because ये ना काफी useful है, because sometimes when our Bluetooth earphones don't have charge, you don't know how to travel without listening to music. I have to listen to music when I'm traveling, and in Bombay whenever you are going to work or returning from work, there is pretty good amount of traveling involved, and अगर music ना सुनूं मैं, मुझे क्या करना है मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है. So I like to keep this as a backup, because अगर उसमें चार्ज नहीं हो तब मैं क्या करूंगी, तब मैं ये यूज कर सकती हूँ. बट इसको अगर मैंने ऐसे ही बैग में डाल दिया ना, तो ये कहीं तो बाकी सारी चीजों में जाके ना एंटेंगल हो जाता है, एंड इट बिकम्स सॉर्ट ऑफ अ मेस. तो टू कीप द बैग एंड दिस मेस फ्री, आई लाइक टू कीप इट इनसाइड दिस पर्टिकुलर ईयरफोन कवर. अगर ये इसके अंदर रहता है ना, इसको निकालने में ढूंढने में मेरे को बहुत इजी होता है. दिस कंप्लीटली कीप्स द मेस अवे, एंड यू कैन इजीली फाइंड योर ईयरफोन्स इन योर बैग. जहां पे भी हो आपको इजीली मिल जाएंगे, एंड ये भी बहुत इनएक्सपेंसिव था. आई विल बी पुटिंग स्क्रीनशॉट्स ऑन द स्क्रीन, एंड आई विल आल्सो बी मेंशनिंग द लिंक्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, so you can check these out for yourself. Alright, next up I picked up something from Amazon. This one is really like unusual. I didn't know something like this actually exists, but ये हम सबके लाइफ को इतना easy बनाने वाला है. So all of us wear sneakers, right? हम sneakers wear करते हैं. Sneakers काफी जल्दी बहुत ज्यादा गंदे हो जाते हैं, and then उनको clean करना and all of that becomes quite messy and time consuming. I picked up this sneaker washing bag from Amazon. Just look at this, you guys. I didn't even know something like this existed, but yes, let me tell you, Amazon has so many brilliant things, you guys. So ये जो sneaker washing bag है ना, इसमें आपको simply आपके sneakers डालने हैं. At a time इसमें एक ही pair आएगा, so don't try and wash 2 pairs at the same time. And yeah, ये कुछ ऐसा है like पैडिंग वाला एंड क्लॉथ का है बेसिकली. इसके अंदर आपको अपने स्नीकर्स डालने हैं, एंड देन इसको वॉशिंग मशीन में डाल देना है. नाउ आई यूजुअली डोंट लाइक टू पुट इट ऑन द फुल साइकिल. जो 30 मिनट्स वाला शॉर्ट साइकिल आता है मैं उसमें डाल देती हूँ, एंड माई स्नीकर्स, विवेक स्नीकर्स, गेट क्लीन्ड so beautifully. I would not have recommended this to you guys, or I would not have shown this to you in my current favorites video अगर सच में ये हम लोग के काम नहीं आता. तो I am showing this to you guys only because this has made such a big difference in our lives, because this is a really good product. इसका MRP है 2000, but I got this for only ₹699, and it's such a worth it product, you guys. Just keep one thing in mind कि इसमें सिर्फ आपके sneakers ही धुल सकते हैं. Don't try washing your like sandals and heels etc. in this. Only use this for your sneakers, and trust me, this bag and your washing machine is gonna transform your sneakers. We put both the powder and the conditioner, and we put it on the short 30-minute cycle, and बहुत ही साफ निकल के आते हैं sneakers. So you guys can also try this one out. Alright, both me and Vivek are two fragrance obsessed people. We love it when our room smells good. We love it when our washroom smells good. We love it when we smell good. So हम लोग ना fragrance related products खरीदते रहते हैं, and we love buying and experimenting. So this one is a really good like a room spray which goes by the name of Californian White Sage. आपको 100 ml spray मिलता है इसमें. This one smells like jasmine, like downright jasmine. Wow. It's such a soothing floral fragrance. You can just spray it in your room, spray it on your pillow, and trust me, it is such a nice product, you guys. If you guys like floral smell, especially अगर jasmine का smell आप लोग enjoy करते हो ना, then this particular product is for you. This one is the Californian White Sage room spray from the brand Aromafume, available on Amazon. इसका भी link मैं नीचे mention कर दूंगी. Next up, I have a fabric stain remover which is plant based. This one is from the brand Born Good. This is what the spray looks like. This is also another very useful product, you guys. So basically जब हम खाना वाना खाते हैं ना, तो कभी कभी we happen to stain our bed या फिर our sofa, like coffee गिर गया या फिर कुछ oily गिर गया या फिर ketchup गिर गया. उस टाइम पे आपको सिर्फ ये स्प्रे लेना है, आपके स्टेन के ऊपर इसको स्प्रे करना है एंड एक टूथब्रश के मदद से उसको घिसना है अच्छे से. द स्टेन इंस्टेंटली गोज ऑफ एंड उसके बाद आप वो जो कवर है या जो बेडशीट है उसको वॉशिंग मशीन में वॉश कर लो. कभी कभी तो वॉश करने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, बिकॉज अगर आपने इसको इंस्टेंटली यूज कर लिया ना स्टेन पे, देन दैट स्टेन जस्ट गोज अवे परमानेंटली, ट्रस्ट मी. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज इसमें ना कोई भी नेस्टी टॉक्सिन्स नहीं है. There are no sulfates, no phosphates. This is a blend of 4 bioenzymes, and this also has citric acid from citric fruits, which helps this clean off the stains. It's a really really good product, and if I'm not wrong, Born Good जो brand है वो Shark Tank पे भी आया था, and it's a pretty good brand, you know, who is making and sort of innovating this space using very nice and natural, you know, products. So yeah, you guys can definitely try this one out. इसका MRP is rupees 199, and I definitely got some sale on this as well. We are left with a few skincare products right here which I'm gonna just breeze through, but I'm gonna quickly take you through these products and then I'm gonna dive into my recent favorite shows and movies. So let's get started. So we recently purchased this candle from Bath and Body Works. This one is the champagne toast variant, you guys. Oh my god, I mean, of course you can't smell it through the lens, but इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. इट्स सो अमेजिंग यू गाइज. अभी नायका पे जो सेल चल रहा है ना, नायका पे ना बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स के कैंडल्स भी मिलते हैं, बॉडी मिस्ट भी मिलते हैं. सो बॉडी मिस्ट में आई विल डेफिनेटली रेकमेंड द पिंक ऑब्सेस्ड वन. दिस इज द वन. मैंने आप लोगों को रिसेंटली ये मेरे फ्रेग्रेंस वीडियो में दिखाया था, एंड इसका जो MRP है वो कुछ 2399 या 2499 है, बट ये सेल पे आपको आई गेस 800 या 1000 का कुछ मिल रहा है. डू पिक इट अप. इट्स अ रियली रियली गुड बॉडी मिस्ट. एंड अगर आप लोगों को कैंडल लेना है, डू गो इन फॉर द mahogany teak wood, gingham, या फिर ये वाला भी ले सकते हो, champagne toast. बहुत अच्छा कैंडल है. It has a very sweet and a floral smell. It's so therapeutic. Like sometimes when we come back from work, na, I and Vivek, we like to light up this candle in our bedroom. Our bedroom just smells so good, and we also love that Californian sage wala spray. Too good. Next up is this micellar water. It's the soothing micellar water from Swiss Image, which removes makeup, cleans and soothes our face. This comes with alpine glacier water and is suitable for normal to dry skin. This particular micellar water is made in Switzerland. Now, I purchased this micellar water more than a month ago. I use this every day, every night before going to bed. I remove my makeup, whatever little makeup there is on my face. I love to remove it. I cannot go to bed with my makeup on. Trust me, this is such a gentle micellar water. कभी कभी लगता है कि मैंने कुछ लगाया ही नहीं है फेस पे, इतनी gently ये मेरा मेकअप निकाल देता है ना. I completely swear by this micellar water. इसके पहले I used to love the ones from Garnier, Simple. I still love them, but I don't know why I've just gotten attached to this one, and since this is made up of natural ingredients and it's also made in Switzerland, I just happen to love this so much. थोड़ा सा pricey है, like this one is for 800 or 900 rupees, but आपको quantity भी इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मिल जाता है. Like this is a 400 ml bottle, so काफी ज़्यादा आपको quantity भी मिल जाता है. If you guys are looking for like a gentle micellar water and this fits your budget, do try this one out. This will also be linked in the description box. Coming to face masks, clay masks, I have a lot of masks that I absolutely love. I've been loving the volcanic mask from Innisfree recently, and there's another one which I completely love and swear by. This one is the green tea clear face mask from Plum. This one is really nice. It's so gentle. This is what the product looks like. It has a very nice like a sandalwoody earthy kind of a smell and बहुत gentle है ये skin पे. It takes some time to dry because it's very clayey in texture. So if you have dry skin, you're gonna love the experience, because I have dry skin and I don't like super drying and stretchy feeling masks. I love this one. This feels completely therapeutic, and this has become such an important part of my weekends. I love applying this on my face during the weekends, and it's such a self-pampering wala thing. I completely enjoy using this particular face mask from Plum. Alright, next up is a hair mask. This one is the Bare Anatomy hair mask, the ultra smoothing one. This particular hair mask comes with niacinamide, and this makes my hair so soft, so smooth, so manageable. I completely love this. Actually ये almost खत्म ही है. Like I think I can use it one last time, but if you look at this, it's almost empty. I love this hair mask, you guys. I swear by this particular hair mask. This is one of the best hair masks I've ever used in my life, and trust me, I have used quite a lot of hair masks in my life. I also love the one from Love Beauty and Planet, the argan oil and lavender one. I love the L'Oreal hair masks also. So Nykaa sale में चेकआउट कर लेना डेफिनेटली. इसका प्राइस पॉइंट भी ठीक ही है, मतलब कुछ 500 या 600 का है. काफी दिनों तक आपको चल जाएगा. Will last you through lots and lots of hair washes. But do try this one out if you want soft, manageable, supple, good quality hair. Last skincare favorite for this particular video, I had to show this to you. I could not move ahead in the video without showing this particular skincare product to you guys, because this is definitely my current favorite and current obsession. I'm talking about the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in the variant Sweet Candy. Oh my god, this is something that I have to use every single day. Now इसमें ना सिर्फ 8 ml product है, sorry 8 grams product है, and इसको भी लिए हुए काफी टाइम हो गया है एक्चुअली, बट ये काफी टाइम तक मुझे चलने वाला है बिकॉज ऑलरेडी मैंने इसको काफी ज्यादा यूज किया है, बट इसमें अभी भी बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट मुझे दिख रहा है. सो इट्स अ रियली गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट, एंड आई कंप्लीटली लव यूजिंग दिस लिप बाम. इट मेक्स माई लिप्स सो सॉफ्ट, सो मॉइस्चराइज्ड, सो नरिश्ड. एंड मैं सोच रही थी कि व्हाई वाज आई लिविंग अंडर अ रॉक, मैंने इसको पहले क्यों नहीं खरीदा. दिस इज द बेस्ट लिप बाम out there. If you guys have dry chapped lips, if you're looking for a lip balm which will thoroughly nourish and moisturize your lips, this one is gonna be your best friend. Also because it's in the variant Sweet Candy, the smell is so addictive. It literally smells like a bubble gum. ये 8 gram वाला packaging है. This will cost you 600 to 700 rupees. इसमें ना थोड़ा सा ऑफ था, और नायका 6-7%, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बट था. अगर आपके बजट में फिट होता है, डोंट थिंक ट्वाइस, जस्ट पिक दिस वन अप. Let's talk about one last miscellaneous item, and then I'm gonna share all my recent favorite shows and movies with you guys. Now, I have with me the Fabel Dark Chocolates, which is 64% dark, and these are their Divine Dark Minis. Okay, this is what it looks like the main packaging, and इसके अंदर ना आपको ये mini chocolates मिल जाते हैं which look like these, and these are dark chocolates from Fabel. Fabel is basically from ITC, and these are so good. Like, these are really good, and this also helps you. Like, not only are they dark and healthy for you, but these are also helpful when it comes to portion control. So if you don't want to have like the whole bar at the same time, you guys can pick this one up. This is available on most of the quick commerce platforms. इसको ले लो, and ये already आप लोगों के लिए portion control way में ही available है. Like, look at this. छोटे छोटे ऐसे मिनीज आपको मिल जाएंगे, so you can just go ahead and have them. At least 10 ऐसे मिनीज तो रहते ही है, and these are for rupees 175. I think this is like a great pick. 17 rupees per mini, which is great, and कभी कभी ना इस पे सेल भी रहता है. So yeah, really good chocolate. I am a chocolate lover, and if I'm recommending a chocolate product to you guys, trust me, I am recommending something good. Just take my word for it and try this one out. Alright, you guys, I have spoken to you guys about all my current favorites like skincare, miscellaneous items, so many things I ended up showing you. Now let's talk about my current favorite shows and movies which I have recently watched or I'm watching currently. Okay, now coming to shows, I would love to talk to you guys about You season 5. Okay, let's just take some time here and discuss about the show. Now, I love the main actor there. I just absolutely adore him to bits. I've been a fan since Gossip Girl days, and I love him in this show. Like, he's such a brilliant actor. I really hope he gets recognized for his work. Like, he's just so good, and his acting is like so natural. इसमें जो female character थी ना, Bronte, a lot of people didn't like her because of her looks. First and foremost, I don't mind her looks. I mean, she is decent looking. I don't mind the way she looks. And secondly, she was so good. Like, she was unpredictable. Her character was rather unpredictable. And it's not easy to deliver that kind of a performance when you are acting opposite Penn Badgley. So I loved Bronte's character as well. And I think the way they ended the whole show, the way they ended the whole series, it was like summing up the whole show and summing up the whole character of Joe Goldberg, which I thoroughly enjoy it. So I really enjoyed watching season 5 of You. In case you haven't watched the last season, or in case if you haven't watched the whole show, please watch it. It's a lot like Baby Reindeer, like where they tell you about love and obsession and how there's a thin line between that, and the kind of extent that you go to towards love and you justify to yourself that you're doing something for love. I think it's a really nice show. If you enjoy these kind of shows, do watch it out. The next show, which I'm currently on right now, I think it has more than 10 seasons if I'm not wrong, is Grace and Frankie. So yes, this show has two elderly women. Now I will just tell you the story in short, okay? And trust me, it's a binge-worthy show and it's so interesting to watch, okay? So basically what happens is there are two couples, okay? Now the two guys, like these two elderly men, they are partners at a law firm, okay? And their wives, they don't like each other because they are very like different. They don't have much of similarities, or the opposites kind of hai. So they don't really enjoy each other's company. Now what happens is after 50 years of marriage, because all of these guys are like 75, 80, right? So after 50 years of marriage, these two men, elderly men, take these two elderly women out for dinner, like together. It's like a double date. And wahan pe jaake these two men just announce to their wives that we are gay. We are gay. We are in love since the last 20-30 years. We have been cheating you guys. We've been lying behind your back. And yes, that's how the story goes. Now, these two wives, Grace and Frankie, who were at one point of time not even able to tolerate the sight of each other, actually have to stay together at a beach house. And their families and their husbands, everybody starts distancing themselves for whatever reason. And of course, they're going through like a broken marriage. They have an identity crisis because their whole life is, you know, around their husbands and everything. So it's a very sweet show which talks a lot about marriage, friendship, and in general, it's a very nice show. Do check it out. Quickly, I'll tell you my favorite movies that I watched recently. First one is The Shallows, starring Blake Lively. I know it's kind of like, what should I say, coincidence that I am recommending something in which Penn Badgley is there, You, and something where Blake Lively is there. They are like ex-sweethearts, right? Anyway, coming back to the point, this movie has Blake Lively in it. I'm talking to you guys about The Shallows. It's a survival film. It's a survival movie. This girl, Blake Lively, she loves swimming. So she goes to this place where her mother used to go when she was young and she used to swim there. So Blake Lively goes there and she starts swimming. And वो swim करते करते ना वो particular like water body के एकदम बीच में आ जाती है where there is a shark. And तभी sunset होने लगता है and she gets stuck there. बहुत मुश्किल से she sort of latches onto a rock and she tries to survive. But the shark is constantly moving around there and trying to gobble her up. So does she manage to survive? If yes, how does she manage to survive? It's such a nail-biting film, you guys. Such a edge of the seat film. Do watch it if you enjoy survival thrillers. Do watch it. And today only we started watching this movie called Exterritorial. It's right now one of the most in-demand movies on Netflix. Iska main premise ye hai ki there is this woman who has a child and her husband gets killed. We haven't yet watched the whole film, but I'm loving whatever I've watched till now, so I will recommend that to you guys. I will finish it right now after shooting this video. So her husband is basically not there, he's passed away. She takes up a job in America and their passports are ready, like the passport of the kid and the mother are ready, and they go together to the US consulate for their visa interview, alright? And there what happens is there's a lot of waiting time, 3-4 घंटे already वो लोग wait कर चुके थे, so the child was getting a little restless. So they find out that there is a playroom in that US consulate area. So what the lady does is she drops the kid to that play area and she says कि मैं coffee लेके आती हूँ and you play. When she gets her coffee and she goes back to the play area, there is no child, nowhere to be found. Her son is nowhere to be found basically. So obviously she calls security, she questions the people there, and they tell her that there was no child. It's only you who had come. At the gate also it was just you. So basically the officials there are trying to convince her that you had just come here alone and you didn't come with your son. So basically they are trying to prove that she's insane, that she's not in her normal state of mind. So what measures does she take and does she go to to find her son, to get her son back. That's what the movie is about, and I found the concept so friggin' interesting. I am dying to watch how it ends, but I would definitely recommend this movie to all you guys. So that's it, you guys. Those were all my current favorites slash Amazon haul slash miscellaneous recommendations. This was such a wholesome video for me, at least. I really hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed collecting all of these things and sharing these things with you. I would love to see you guys again really soon. I will be back with another video really soon. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.